First up, change the proofing language, perfect for multilingual audiences. And then go to the Review tab. Click Language, then choose Set Proofing Language. Select your desired language, it can be Spanish, French, etc., and hit OK. Now your spell check, grammar suggestions, and dictionaries match the language you're presenting in. Super useful. Next up, adding hyperlinks makes your presentation interactive. Highlight the text or image, right-click and choose Link. Then a window pops up. Pick existing file or web page, or link to another slide. Paste your URL, click OK, and your link is now active. And there you have it. 2 simple yet powerful PowerPoint tricks in just 2 minutes. If you found this helpful, smash the like button, hit subscribe for more quick tips, and comment below the feature you want to master next. See you next time.